It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a really quick video on the ColourPop Hocus Pocus collection. I have feelings. So this is just a quick little video. I did do this eye look with it. I will share clips of me doing the eye look. I more just wanted to talk about my feelings about it because I have feelings. So anyway, I was actually able to scoop up a few things from the collection, some online and some in my store. This is the palette here. I did get that. Let's just put it out on the table. If you are a ColourPop fan, if you're a Hocus Pocus fan, if you tried to get this launch, it was a complete and hot mess. I was so disappointed. Everything was like sold out immediately on ColourPop's site, and then when they released it to Ulta, it was weird, and then it was sold out there, and then I went to my Ulta literally like 18 minutes after they opened, and everybody in line had like, they only had so much stock, and everybody had like multiple palettes, multiple everything. Luckily, I had gotten the palette. I woke up in the middle of the night and was able to purchase it online on Ulta, so I lucked out on that. But as far as the rest of it, I did scoop up a few things, and so let's just talk about it quickly. So I was able to get the palette, which is what I wanted. It comes in this container here. It's called Gather Round Sisters. It's so beautiful. I mean, there's tons of videos on this. I keep this in here because it does have a pressed glitter, and I find that that keeps it together. This is the color story. This is a very similar color story to a lot of other Disney palettes. I think like their Disney Princess one, the Midnight Masquerade. I'm not positive. A channel that you should check out if you want to know more about like the actual swatching and the comparisons and all that is Makeup Just for Fun. She's amazing, and she gets all the ColourPop releases ahead of time, and also she does a lot of comparisons. I don't have any of the palettes that this is similar to, so for me it's not a big deal. I absolutely love these green shades here. That's definitely my jam. And these shades here that are these mattes with glitter, some people don't like them. They're calling them sequin shades. I actually do like them. Listen, I don't care. The more glitter the better. I don't care if it falls on my face. I love glitter. Overall, the quality of the palette is good. It's ColourPop standard. I love ColourPop. I use the color Hello Salem on Toast. I also used the color Goodbye Cruel World, this Full Moon color, Come Little Children, and then this Brew Potion just tapped on the lid. Quality of the shadows are good. I enjoy the color story. I'm happy that I have it. I'm just annoyed at what it took to get it. So, you know, that is what it is. If you are trying to get this palette or anything from this launch, let me know down below what your experience was. The other thing that I ended up getting were the lashes. I was able to get 2 pairs of lashes. I got the Flirty Witch. They were the only one that I was really interested in, and they look like this. I do have them on today, although I do have them cut in half because that's how I always do my lashes. I have tutorials on how I do my lashes, so I did cut them in half, so this is like the other half, and I just have them on the outsides. Actually, I had not tried ColourPop lashes before. These are definitely up my alley, so I'm pleased with the lashes. And then this isn't ColourPop, but I was trying to use all ColourPop makeup in this tutorial that I'm doing here. And I did end up using the highlighter from the Disney Villains. It's called Super Shock Highlighter in Cruella. It's so sparkly, like it's really gritty, glittery, so I have a love-hate situation with that. But I ended up picking this one up. This is just from Revolution, and it's The Nightmare Before Christmas, which is one of my favorite movies. So I do have actually this one on, and that's what you're seeing, this like gold here. I don't usually rock with a gold highlighter, but it's Nightmare Before Christmas, so like duh. I'm also wearing their velvet lipstick in California Love, CA Love. I'm wearing that. I am wearing their cream gel liner, which are my favorite liners in the world. I'm wearing in the color Joyride in my waterline, and yeah, that's all the ColourPop I'm wearing. The other thing I was able to get was this Glitterily Obsessed in Another Glorious Morning. It's really pretty. I'm glad that I got it. I didn't use it today. It's definitely this real like pale orangey, pumpkin spice. So I probably will use this in another look. If you want to see more looks with this palette, I'm happy to do that. But I just wanted to come on here and just show what look I got with it, my experience with it. I love ColourPop. I was not feeling this whole release. They ran out so quickly. I know that Disney can be weird and like how much you're allowed to release and all that, but it's like so many people were upset. So many people didn't get a chance to get it. Like, so what's the point? You know, I feel like at this point they should understand Hocus Pocus is a big movie. Halloween collections in general are big launches because there isn't a lot of them. I don't know. Anyway, so this is my final look though. I'm pleased with the palette. I'm glad that I have it. I like the lashes. So if you have any thoughts about this collection or ColourPop in general, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!